We are safe. Nobody can come here. And wolf comes, knock, 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 knock. Who is inside? Come out, or I shall blow your house and I will eat you. Then they will two pigs will be telling, no, you cannot do. This is made of wood. This home is made of wood and sticks, so you cannot do anything. But still, the wolf said, open the door, otherwise I will puff and blow your house. So finally they were not listening, so he blew their sticks wooden house. Because it was not strong, finally they were running around. Those two pigs were running, wanted help for the another brother. They went and knocked the door. Brother, open the door. The wolf is coming back of us. And the third brother opens the door and says, what happened? The brother, wolf is coming back of us. He will come and kill. We are not safe here. We came out of the home and we don't know. We will be killed now. But the third brother, with hope, he will say, no. This house is so strong. He cannot do anything. Then comes the wolf. Knock, knock. Open the door, or otherwise I will pop your house and I will kill you. And he says, the third pig says, no, Mr. Wolf, you cannot do anything. This is made of bricks and rocks and mud. And he gets angry. What he did? He puffed. And nothing happened. He did for again. But still nothing happened to the house. Third time also he did. But they were safe inside the home. He gets angry. He don't know what to do. He looks up. From where I can go inside? Then he saw the chimney. Okay, where the smoke will go out. The house, the kitchen area. He thought, okay, let me climb the wall and I will go inside. But the third pig saw he was climbing from the wall. And what he did, you know? He was having so smart idea that immediately he took one bowl of water and he kept where the fire will be burning, and the water was boiling so hot. It was so hot, and the wolf was coming from the chimney. It will be like rectangular shape, so he thought that he can go from there and eat all the pigs. But he was wrong, and he slipped and fell into the hot boiling water and he died. So children, what you understand by this story? Everything you can do quickly, but the result won't be fine. Sometimes you take writing, okay, let me do, my teacher gave homework, or my father, mother, they have given homework, so let me fast write and finish it. But it's wrong. You take your time, understand your things, what it is. If you don't know, you ask how the third pig did. He took all the materials, he was constructing his house for many days. But the two pigs, they finished their construction. And you know what happened? And there was no home for other two pigs. Then finally, after the death of the wolf, they were so happy and they were living together, and afterwards they went back to their parents. So this tells you that always be hardworking. Okay, always be hardworking. Take your time and do the things, but don't be like fast to finish the things quick. And when you're eating also, like you want to finish it fast, your mama will be scolding you, you think, but take your time, chew the food, then only it will be healthy for you, for your digestion system and all. So always think whenever you do the things and all, so don't try to be quick. Okay, take your time, and hard work is must in each and everything. When you're learning or something, for each and everything, hard work is must, then only you will get a best result. So I hope that you all like this story. So let's revise the rhyme section now.